Hello everyone, I am Deep Tiwari. Today I am going to explain our courses.html page and a part of my student portal page. In this video, I will show you our codes and how to work this code in this video. Let's see. You can see here our boilerplate in this HTML page. Doc type HTML and HTML. We use lang for English language and editor. I am also explaining in previous video our boilerplate. Uh, Here you can see main part of body. Inside a body we use header. Header means it's a part of our web page, top side. We use h1 heading one. It's a main part of our in this page. Welcome to Deep Tiwari student portal. It's a main part of our web page, uh, because I am using our h1 tag. You can see here, welcome to student portal Deep Tiwari. We use our courses, my courses. Okay. and and second thing, inside we use a p tag. P defines for paragraph. I am giving some words here. Explore the courses I am currently studying out, mastering, and close our header tag. And inside we use now tag, now for navigation tag. It's used mainly for create a menu of bottom. We use here ul and style non type because I am not using a bold. And here we use inside list and a tag. It is noted by anchor tag, and here attribute. And in this side we use index.html. It's a name of our file page. And also explaining here in this here. And when we go inside, then here page show you home, profile, courses, grade, feedback, and contact. And we close our navigation tab. We use GSR for a horizontal line. Here I am showing a horizontal line in our page. And main content is here. When we use main, then I give a instruction for page, for main content of the page. Here you can see. And section, we use section for I want to in this page for separate my content in this main tag. And we use inside s2, inside section page, current courses overview, because it's a sub heading of h1 here, current courses overview. And again I use p tag for paragraph tag. And here you can see strong. It's denoted by strong. And when we use strong, then he he bold our some words. You can see four core courses. You can see strong. It's a bold type. And inside we use ul for list. And strong HTML because I am using a creative and some dynamic our web page look here. And here I'll again use a tag for horizontal lines, because I am separating our sections. And in this section we again use detail course And articles, you can see here. Articles means I want to separate our these parts, and you can see here css duration and its article. We use article because here is a give a dynamic of our web page when we use article and show you. uh, Inside we use h3 text subheading of h1, and here h4 tag and a list. It's prefer, and you can see here again use articles and some words. It's repeating for our look dynamic, and again use hr tag for horizontal lines. And I am giving a courses 3 and 4 here, and learning outcomes, additional courses section, and lastly I use footer of main page of our bottoms, you can see. And hr tag again use for horizontal lines, and copy is show you uh, some here, you can see. And lastly use paragraph tag. Thank you so much. Next video I see you again. Thank you.